Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through accessing Zendesk, which is the software we use to track improvement ideas, and it's integrated directly within Microsoft Teams. This is especially helpful after the initial review process when you need to refer back to specific tickets. So when you're logging in, you're going to go directly within the Teams channel, Foxbox Idea Review Team, click on the Improvement Tickets tab up here at the top, and you'll be prompted to sign in for the first time. Here are the credentials for the sign in. It's Foxbox Idea Review at foxproducts.com. That's the user sign in. So after you click on user sign in, you'll be prompted to go to another website. So you'll be able to access the tickets. These are all the tickets with statuses like new, pending, open, on hold, and silo chief assigned. To view tickets with different statuses, so the solved and declined tickets, you'll click on the ellipsis down here. You'll click on Zendesk. You'll click on the tickets tab up here. And then from the drop down up here, you'll click solved or declined improvement tickets. And you can also view what we just viewed, the improvement tickets view. And then this provides access to read-only tickets. So these are all closed tickets that can't be edited. And to refer back to it later with easy access, I would recommend right-clicking on Zendesk and clicking Pin so it stays there. But that is how you access Zendesk directly within Teams.